Ok julle, hierdie is nou 'n fyn houtjie in koerantpapier 4. It's sticks and paper, fire for a nice barbecue. Daar is 'n paar charcoal of brikette tussenin net om 'n bietjie so lank warm te word. So I put in some briquettes just to get warm with the fire. So I'll put more on later. En hier het ek 3 groot soet patats wat nou 4 toe gaan van die begin af. This is sweet potatoes in fully that I will put in the fire from the start, and it will be very nice at the end. Something like that. Dis nou tyd om nog briquettes op te sit. Sommer 'n hele klompie. It's about time for more briquettes, guys. All over the show there. So I'll bring you back in a while. Okay, dit begin nou baie goed lyk. Amper tyd om die patats om te draai. So at this point it looks very good, guys. And about time, I would say about 10 minutes, I will turn the potatoes around and spread the coals a little bit. Okay, kom ons draai hulle om terwyl die vuur nog nie so warm is. Eintlik is hy al. Ek sal dit nou met 'n tang moet vat. I will have to use a tang to turn this around. It get a little bit hot for me now with the fingers for the first time. So I'll bring you back. Okay, and for meat we will have chicken thighs and the leg with sweet potatoes, as you've seen, and some beetroot. So die hoender en patats en beet gaan baie lekker saam gaan vanaand. Okay, ek is nou baie naby aan begin braai. I've got the potatoes on top of the fire and with some coals on top of that. So I'll give it 10 minutes max and then put it aside and then put the meat on. So ons gaan nou amper braai, manne. Okay, vleis is op. En dis nou vir oupa en vir Hilda en vir my seun, Hubert. Okay, so guys, we are now about ready to spread all that stuff around. And this is now for grandfather and my wife and my son and myself. Right, let's give it 1 minute or 2 and I'll bring you back. Okay, kom ons gooi hierdie klompie plat. Let's undo this whole heap of very goodness. Something like that. Sorry for out of the screen. So I just want to make sure there is some coals everywhere and the potatoes will still get ready. I will have to turn that one more and this one. Okay, let's put the meat on. It's a little bit high at this point, but I'll bring it back. I'll bring it down in the next clip you will see it. Okay, this is about the picture from beneath, and it's still a little bit high. I dropped it 1 notch, but the fire is very, very hot. Okay, now you will see some spots and some action here. I've got it about, let's see, about 8 inches above the coals. Never turned so far. Okay, dis een draai en lyk dit nou goed. That's one turn with the flash on. Maybe it looks better without a flash. Okay, hier is nou die tweede draai op hierdie kant. Sonder 'n flash. So guys, this is now without a flash, second turn. And I will turn the potatoes shortly. And I'll show you at the end how it looks. Okay guys, the state of order is I've turned the potatoes around and the chicken. So dis die staat van orde hierso. Vriende, dit is nou, ek het die patats gedraai 180 grade en ook die hoender. En dan kook nog so 'n bietjie bloed uit. And my grill is not skew, guys. This is fire management. Okay friends, the meat came off. I already take off some of it. So now the rest, and then I'll show you what we do with the potatoes. So let me take this off quickly and bring you back. Okay, now we take our potatoes and just put it again directly on the coals, like that. Just for a final, make sure. So ek dink hierna sal hulle nou baie sag wees en dan gaan ons hulle enetjie vir julle oopmaak. Kyk ons hoe lyk dit. Sweet patats begrawe in kolle. And that is now sweet potato buried in coals. So we're going to take everything off now. And open one for us. I'll show you now, just a second or two. Ek gaan nou enetjie oopmaak vir julle. This will be a hot experience, but I will show it when it's open. Okay, familie en vriende, lyk dit nou nie goed nie. Kyk net daai patats. Perfek gaar. Daai was die kleiner enetjie. So this, guys, is now the final product, and the potatoes is fantastic. So we will have this with cooked whole beetroot. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video, and like and subscribe, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.